Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful Sankranti special paper quilling ornamental box for the gifting purpose. And this is actually the recycled box which I have created using old cardboard box, and on top I have decorated quilling nut in Marathi style with the ornamental quilling technique. You can just open the box like this, and inside this I have added one small gift, that is earring and tilgud. Sweet. Isn't it a great idea for the Sankranti festival? So let's get started. So here I have this old medicine box which is 11 by 9 centimeter, and I am completely covering it using black chalk paint to create the base. So the rough coloring is done. Now I wanted to make the opening like this. So I'm just cutting this top portion using my scissors so that we can create the front opening. Like this. And now remaining part I am going to stick as it is using glue. So it will be the right side and it will be the left side. So just connecting it quickly and coming back. So this is attached, and inside the box also I have colored with black chalk paint. Now it's time to do the makeover of the box. So here I am taking one paper which measures 11 by 2 centimeters. I have just folded this in half. This is simple 90 GSM black color craft paper, and I am just covering all the edges from top, from bottom, from corners using these kind of paper connectors to give more finishing. Similarly, I am taking this 9 by 2 centimeters paper strip, folded this in half, and I am attaching this on the other side like this, the smaller side. And to create the corners, I am taking one more small black color strip which measures 4 by 2 centimeters. So I am going to attach this in the corner from inside and outside both. Similarly, complete all the sides using the same method. And after covering it using connectors, all the edges are looking nicely sharp and more crisp. Now to make the lid, here I am taking cardstock which measures 4 by 11 centimeters, and I have just creased it on 1.5 centimeters. This is 250 GSM black color cardstock, and I am just sticking it with the lid from 1.5 centimeter side. So just add little glue and stick with the lid. So this is done. Now I am adding one black cardstock on top of this. So in the base I have added gold mirror cardstock, and then I have added black cardstock, so that will get nice golden border all around this. Burnishing it very well using bone folder. And in the same way I am going to decorate another sides of the box using some more black color cardstock strips from all the sides, and from inside I am going to add some pattern papers. So after decorating it with cardstock and pattern paper, the box will look like this. It's looking very nice and neatly ready. Now to make the closure, here I am taking these Velcro dots. So I am just sticking one part of Velcro dot inside it on the lid, exactly in the center. Now attaching the another part of Velcro dot with this, and then slowly close the lid with the box. so that it will get attached on the another side. These dots are having pre-adhesive stickers, so very easy to use. You can also use magnets or ribbons to make the closure, and this is done. Now it's time to do the quilling decoration. So for my first design, I am taking total 3 strips of pink color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shaped dome. Just filling the dome with the glue, allow it to dry. Then I am taking 1.5 strip of pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil dome shape, filling this with glue as well. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of white color. So for this I am taking my white strip, divided in 4 parts so that we will get 1/4 strip, making one tight coil, and in the same way I have already prepared some more tight coils. Then taking back my box, first I am attaching this teardrop shape in the center. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. Then around this I am just adding my yellow color strip. So before attaching the teardrop, you can first wrap the yellow strip and it will be easier. So just I am wrapping one strip around this and then I am going to stick it with the base. After that I am just adding white color tight coils which we have created earlier around this teardrop shape. Then I am taking half strip of white color and making one tight coil and adding exactly on the top part like this. Then I am adding this tight coil dome which we have created, and around this dome also I am attaching yellow color strip and then white color tight coils. Then I am adding one white color dome which is made using half strip. After that I am adding pink color dome which is made using 1/4 strip, then one more white dome which is made using 1/4 strip, and some small tight coils using yellow, pink and green color. Now to make the closure part of nut, I am taking yellow color strip, dividing in 3 equal parts. So we need total 5 strips of 1/3 in size, gathering all together, folding from the center, and then I will start twisting it using pointed tweezer and making one scroll shape. Then from bottom part I am rotating the scroll in opposite direction, so it will look like S shape. Like this. So I'm just attaching this S shape with the ornamental design, and it is looking like nut now. Now randomly here and there I am just adding some golden color paper dots. I have created these dots using 2mm hole punch machine and golden paper. You can also use your gold marker to make these tiny dot design. And to give it more realistic look, I am just adding some dots on top of each white tight coil using these drops by Nuvo. You can use any colored cones for this purpose. Then to decorate the sides, here I have prepared these two S-shaped scrolls just like we created for the lid. And I am sticking these two scrolls on the side. This is the smaller side of the box. Then on both the sides I am adding two white color tight coils which are made using half strips each. Then here I am taking half strip of light green color and half strip of white color in 3mm and making one tight coil. After that I am taking half strip of light green color again and making one more tight coil. Then first I am sticking this white green tight coil in the center. On top of this I am adding pink color teardrop shaped dome which is made using one strip of pink color, and then both the sides I am adding green color tight coils. Then on top of the teardrop I am just adding pearl chain to give nice effect, and to decorate it little more I am adding some stones on these tight coils. So the decoration part is all up to you. In the same way I have decorated the back side with the same procedure, just the scroll size is little bigger and the other side. So all three sides are done. Now it's time to decorate the front part. So in the bottom I am just adding some tight coils in green and pink colors, and they are made using half strips each. Then here I'm taking this border punch design and I'm adding it on the lid opening. This is made using gold mirror cardstock. And the beautiful box is ready, so I'm just putting this homemade tilgud mithai or sweet inside this and just adding a small token of love from my side to my friend. I'm just gifting it in upcoming Sankranti festival to my friend. And isn't it a cute idea to convert the unused boxes into these kind of beautiful boxes to gift it in any kind of festival? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.